of the time that we are going through, where there is a lot of struggle, where there is a lot of challenge, and a lot of energy is required to pull ourselves out and do what we are doing. But then you are going cons, we are going cons. And no matter what the circumstances are. So I was just recollecting this particular batch, which is now coming to 11th. And I was fondly remembering so many of you when you were in grade 3. You joined school in grade 3. I'm sure you can all remember. I can see Kushi with a smile, broad smile from end to end on her face. So when we were talking of the induction and orientation session, that's what I was saying, that, it was all about how do we make our children, this particular batch, which is so very special for us because this batch has seen the entire journey of middle school in the school. These are not merely the years where you are just going to be appearing for a board exam. I can't say another board exam because you are, not going to be having that experience of your first board. So for you, the first board will be the class 12 board. You must have been talking to your seniors. You must have seen some of your siblings, how they have conducted themselves in these 2 years. So what are your dreams, aspirations, expectations, and thought processes?
पहचान कौन? हम हैं आपके मेजबान और आपकी तारीफ आप कौन? हाँ, आप हैं गोयनका की जान। तो चाइना हो या पाकिस्तान, हो जाए सब सावधान।
समझे नहीं भैया, मतलब सभी विषयों का ज्ञान काहे जरूरी है?
की टोली है, बोले सच्ची बोली है।
अब तो चलिए आपको लेकर चलते हैं शर्मा जी के फैमिली में, जहाँ शब्दों का एक दूसरे पर वार हो रहा है।
We have an interesting activity for all of you. We'll be dividing you into 6 groups. The 6th group will represent different kinds of industries and companies. And your aim has to be, with the different roles that you will assign yourself, that you make it into a successful and a complete venture which is feasible in action.
Who are ready to invest in our business. Single share cost for 805.23 INR and people are buying up shares very fast.
Promoting and spreading awareness about our company through various social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, where people can interact, discuss, give their reviews about the company and tell us what they exactly feel. Also, we are planning to make a website where people can register themselves for the vaccines and oxygen cylinders, which would make it easier for the people to be able to access them.
Good morning, it's a policy maker from the government. Government is not in the support of the show and is giving the wrong impact to the people, and the policies are also against the show. Thank you, that's it from the policy maker.
Sustainability, respecting and nurturing the ancient culture, and at an institutional level, it has a private sector driven and community welfare oriented approach. And modern infrastructure has been developed to aid the tourism industry.
We are going to embark on this journey. So children, as we shared yesterday, so you have to, be your future self, and you have to see yourself.
Summer camps in 12th class, and I joined 2 summer camps, but I advise you guys to join summer camps in 11th, as it makes a lot of pressure in class 12.
Application to phase 2 must be submitted directly to the university through the application of undergraduate admission forms. The acceptance rate of university is estimated to be 42%.